Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Creative Home Decor TV Wall Magic, your go-to YouTube channel for all things related to TV wall decoration. If you are looking to transform your living space into a visually stunning and stylish environment, you have come to the right place. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with a wide array of inspiration, ideas, and step by step tutorials on how to create captivating TV wall designs. Whether you have a small apartment or a spacious home, we believe that every wall can become a masterpiece. We understand that everyone has different tastes and preferences, so we strive to cover a diverse range of style and themes, explore different color palette, textures, and patterns that can complement your existing furniture and decor. We also provide tips on selecting the right lighting elements to enhance the ambience and mood of your living rooms. Not only will you find design ideas, but we will also share expert advice on practical considerations such as cable management, sound system integration, and optimizing viewing angles. We believe that a wall designed TV wall should not only be visually appealing but also functional and user friendly. Whether you are a dye enthusiast, a home decor lover, or simply seeking inspiration for your next interior design project, our channel is here to ignite your creativity and help you bring your vision to life. Subscribe now and turn your TV wall into a captivating focal point that will leave you guests in awe. Remember to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our exciting videos. Let's transform your living space with Creative Home Decor TV Wall Magic. Thanks for watching.